Akash here. This is a LAVDIK hair growth serum. This is how it's gonna look like, yellow color. This is for the beginner. If you recently start losing hair, this is beginner for you. I'll talk about this, how to use it the best way you could use it, and also a supplement for the beginner if you start seeing recently you losing hair. If you have your hair situation really bad, there's so many different natural products supplement. Over the year I did review. Is all hair growth product is in my channel. You could always go there, check it out, because I struggle myself and personally use those product and I benefited from it, and those are the product I reviewed and recommend. So it's all there, all hair growth product. You could always check it out there. So this is how it's gonna look like when you get it. This is a small bottle, so it's really, if you recently start losing hair, you take it out. This is how it's gonna look like. It's kind of the yellow color. You put exactly where you need it. Put one drop. If you don't need to, don't put too much. Just put one drop wherever you need. One drop, and gently massage it for like a minute. Gently massage it. Keep it there for 2 minutes. It's gonna dry out. Don't use it when your hair is wet. Use it when your hair is dried, like dry hair. That's the time you use it. And again, it smells great. You could just comb your hair after that and go by your day. Don't put it before you take a shower. You want this to stay there for as long as possible. So maybe if you're going out in the morning, you put it in the morning, then in the afternoon you take a shower. That's fine, but don't put it on and take a shower, then you're gonna wash it out pretty fast. You got my point. And this is for the beginner. Reason I say it, if you start losing hair, you seeing your hair falling up, that's mean as early as possible you have to do something about it. If you wait too long, it might be too late. So you don't want it. As early you could do it, as better it is. So this is for the beginner. Again, if your hair situation is really bad, 20, 30, 40%, then you go in my channel and check it there. There's many different products that could help you. And this is the supplement called biotin. This is a US made product. Nature Bounty makes it. This Nature Bounty has been there for like more than 50 years, and their product is like #1 FDA approved product. This is like a vitamin supplement. This is for the beginner, like I said. So vitamin supplement, this is 1000 mg. I'm gonna put the link in description box so you could check it out. And this is healthy hair, skin, and nails. So it's 3 benefits you're getting from it. Your skin, I use this every day. One, it's like a vitamin supplement. I hardly get any pimple on my skin after using it. So that's another benefit. If you get a lot of pimple, what happened? You get scars. Every time you take out a pimple, you get scars. So that's really benefited. Also, it helps you regrow your hair because you're getting the vitamin, all the nutrition you need in your body. Again, it's for the beginner, I said, because there is a lot of stronger supplement. It's in my playlist. You could check it out for if your hair situation a lot worse than like recently you start losing hair, so you could check it out. And also it's your nails. So your hair is healthy hair, healthy skin, healthy nails. So all 3, you just take one. This is how it's gonna look like. This is 120 pills in it, so it's good for 3 months, and it's not that much. It's not expensive. This is how it's gonna look like. It's a small vitamin supplement. You could take it just like you take a daily vitamins kind of thing. So you take this one. You could take it in the morning, afternoon, night, whenever you want to take it, whenever you feel comfortable. You just take one. After a meal is always better way to use it. The reason this is why I said for the beginner, because this is like something natural, hair growth serum. You use it and you can take the supplement, the nutrition your body need. You try with both. And I always say, if you like your shampoo, just check the label on your shampoo, how much chemical. Always try to go with like natural shampoo. There's so many products, natural biotin. There is a ginger shampoo. There is a lot of good natural shampoo. I have it in my channel playlist. You could check it out there. Please hit the like button and check out my playlist. Thank you so much.